So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my text content. So what I've done, instead of typing it directly into Dreamweaver, is I actually have some text content here, and this was created in Microsoft Word. And this is that generic text that you kind of see all over the place when you're trying to create a template of something. It's called the lorem ipsum passage, and some translation of what that is. And we can already see just from looking at this that Microsoft Word has already done some formatting to this text. And let's just say, when it goes on our website, this isn't exactly the formatting that we would probably want our text to be. So let's just say, for example, up here at the top, I may have a title, if I can spell title, some sort of header, and maybe that title is heading 1, and this one becomes, I don't know, heading 3 or something. And in our website, for website design purposes, this is exactly not what we really want. But we have our text content made in here. And in Word, I definitely recommend making your text content in here and formatting it in a way in Word where you can see what's kind of going on and have it cleanly organized. But now we're ready to take this into Dreamweaver, and we don't want this formatting to come with it. We don't want this bold header to come with it, or this different color text up here to come with it, because we really don't want to dig around in Dreamweaver and figure out how to change this back to the way that we want it. And we definitely don't want to mess, with this. Notice here we have a spacing going on, and there's a certain spacing between the text going on as well. So one way that we can do to get this formatted out, all this formatting, and get back to plain text, is we can select all of it. So I'm going to hit Control A. And then press Control C on my keyboard. By pressing Control A, I'm selecting everything, and by pressing Control C, I'm copying everything. So now I need to take it into some sort of text editor that will strip out all of the formatting. That way, when I take it into Dreamweaver, the only thing that comes into Dreamweaver is plain text. So I'm going to hit the Windows and R key so that I can open up my Run window, and I'm going to type Notepad in here. And once I do that, a Notepad window will open. Now Notepad, there's other, of course, text editors out there, will strip out all of the formatting. It strips out, I'm going to say most of the formatting, but not all of the formatting. So I'm going to click in here and press Control V. And right now it's just one huge long thing. I want this to actually word wrap. So I'm going to go up here to Format and hit Word Wrap. So now it looks, a little bit better. This is all now plain text. Most of it is plain text. I don't see anything in here that Notepad was unable to strip out. And usually it's the bulleted items that it's unable to strip out. So now I'm going to click up here to the top somewhere, hit Control A to select all of this again. And then hit Control C to copy. And now I'm going to take all of the text that's in Notepad and paste it into my Dreamweaver. So I'm going to go to Design View, highlight this test, and press Control V on my keyboard. And as soon as I do that, you can see over here on the left side, there's a lot of stuff going on between my body. So between body up here and this body down in here. And on the right side, we can see that all of my text is uniform. It's using the default font. I don't have any weird spacing or formatting going on. And that's exactly what I want.